Shocking reasons why a married man cheats his wife. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the shocking reasons why a married man cheats his wife. Cheating destroys all that is good in your marriage. It is because the stability of your relationship literally depends upon trust and loyalty. When these essential ingredients disappear from your relationship, it will be quite impossible to hold your marriage together. Loyalty and trust are that much of binding agents of your marriage. When your husband wants you to be loyal to him, it's only natural to expect the same from him. Though your husband well knows that he too must be loyal and trustworthy towards you, he often indulges in cheating you. When your husband cheats you, you feel all is lost in your marriage. Infidelity is that much of a marriage wrecker. You feel emotionally shattered when your husband cheats on you, don't you? Why does your husband cheat you, well knowing that it could be the end to his marriage? Your husband mostly cheats you because of the demands of his flesh. When your husband is physically attracted to another woman, he feels it natural to have sexual relationship with her. Your husband casually feels that when he hides his cheating from you, there's no chance of you feeling cheated by him. One way or the other, the cheating of your husband invariably reaches you. You feel emotionally drained when you come to know that your husband has been cheating you behind your back for many days. What makes your husband dare to be infidel to you? What makes your husband be unfaithful to you while he demands loyalty from you? To know the answer to all these niggling questions, you must understand the male mindset of your husband. Your womanly definition of loyalty in marriage means being loyal to your husband physically and emotionally. Yes, you do not cheat your husband physically, nor do you cheat him emotionally. But your husband's perception of loyalty towards you is entirely different. Your husband can love you, but he can also be physically disloyal to you. Are you wondering how? Your husband feels that his love for you is not tainted if he is physically close with another woman. It is just a physical thing. It has nothing to do with love. It is my wife I love and care for. My wife does not know how to satisfy me sexually. So I satisfied my physical hunger elsewhere. It is just a casual fling. Nothing serious. I cheated my wife with another woman because I just wanted some variety. Can you see how many reasons your husband reels out for his disloyalty towards you? When your husband has a burning sexual hunger, he feels it should be satisfied at any cost. When you do not feel like eating home food, you go to a restaurant for a differently tasting food. Likewise, your husband feels that having sex with another woman is the same as eating food outside home just for the sake of variety. Your husband also feels fulfilling his sexual hunger with another woman is not like cheating you. He feels it's just satisfying his burning physical hunger. He also convinces himself that he loves only you. This is the reason your husband easily cheats you with another woman. How can your husband be so casual about his cheating you? It is because as a man, your husband does not mix his entire life into one huge emotional tangle as you do. Your husband divides his life into different segments. Your husband does not mix his profession with his family. He does not mix his friendship with his family life. Your husband does not mix his love for you with his sexual desire for another woman. And as a man, your husband is a physical animal and feels no guilt about satisfying his sexual urge with another woman. Your husband is dead sure that satisfying his physical hunger with another woman is not cheating you. What are the other intolerable reasons your husband cheats you? Your husband cheats you when he is physically unsatisfied by you. Your husband cheats you when the other woman is willing to accept his overtures. Your husband cheats you when the other woman gives him a sense of emotional well-being which he does not enjoy with you. Whatever might be the reasons why your husband cheats you, you feel lost and betrayed when you come to know that he is a Casanova. You want to confront your husband when you come to know about his cheating you, don't you? When you confront your husband, he might relent and apologize to you. Or your husband might defend himself and blame you as the reason behind his cheating. Are you taken aback? Yes. There are times your husband blames you as the reason behind his infidelity. Your husband says he cheated you because you're uncaring and unloving. He also complains that you do not support him emotionally or financially. Your husband further justifies his cheating by saying that you do not satisfy his sexual needs. Your husband further adds that your commanding nature makes his stay at home unpleasant. Your husband complains that you're too demanding and commanding when you interact with him. Your husband also complains that you often deny him sex by pointing out your tiredness as the reason behind it. So, your sexually deprived husband never thinks twice before cheating you. The complaints of your husband about you might be true and valid, but it in no way gives him the right to stray and cross his limits as and when he likes. The relationship issues your husband has with you does not give him any ground to be unfaithful to you. These are all common relationship problems that should be sorted out between you. But you too should make sure that you do not make these grave relationship mistakes. When you're incompatible with your husband, it makes him very gloomy, frustrated, and miserable in his family life. Your husband feels stifled just living with you when you're bossy and nagging. When you constantly deny your husband sex, he feels sexually deprived, so he seeks an outlet for his suppressed emotions and deprived sexual needs with another woman. It is a harsh fact that when your husband is not sexually satisfied with you, he does not think twice before cheating you with another woman. This is the worst characteristic of a man. So callous and selfish, and so physically driven. Does this mean your husband can get away with his cheating you? Should you overlook his cheating as a part of his male character? No. You should never accept the infidelity of your husband with another woman. What exactly should you do when you come to know that your husband is having an affair with another woman? You should make your husband understand that you will not allow him to treat your home as a lodge for him to come and stay as and when he wants. You should make him understand that he is duty bound to you just as you are to him. Your husband is accountable to you and your children. He should understand his commitments and responsibilities towards you. Can you see that as a man your husband is bound to cheating and straying? Give your husband a warning that you would not accept his disloyalty. Make him understand that there's no taking him back if he ever thinks of crossing his boundaries. Did this video make you understand the intolerable reasons your husband cheats you? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.